In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add arrows in Notion. As many of you know, Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that seamlessly combines note-taking, task management, and database systems. With its customizable features, users can tailor their workspaces to better suit their needs. Today, we're focusing on adding arrows. These arrows are not just decorative. They are powerful tools that help visually organize information and enhance navigation for you and your team. So let's get started. First, navigate to the Notion homepage, which serves as your main hub. Here you can access all the different databases and pages you have set up. From this home base, choose the specific database or page where you would like to add arrows. Selecting the appropriate page is crucial, because strategically placed arrows can significantly improve the workflow and structure of that area. After selecting your desired page, you need to locate a small cluster of 6 dots. This part can be a bit tricky because these dots tend to show up when you hover over the section you want to edit. Once you find these dots, click on them. This action will open up a menu with several options related to customizing your section. In this menu, you'll want to click on the edit icon. Engaging this option allows you to modify the look and feel of the specific section you're working on. As you explore the customization options, you will notice an option that lets you select an icon. When you find this, go ahead and click on it. From the icons menu, scroll through until you find an arrow icon that suits the purpose of your page. This step may require a bit of patience as there are numerous icons to choose from. When you've located the arrow icon, consider which one best fits your needs. Remember, arrows serve as excellent visual cues that guide the viewer's eye or indicate direction between sections or elements. You also have the opportunity to choose a color for your arrow. Colors can convey different meanings, so think about the message you want to communicate. For instance, red might denote urgency, blue can be seen as neutral, and green often suggests progress. Choosing an appropriate color not only enhances the visual appeal of your page, but also aids in the comprehension of its structure. And just like that, you've successfully added an arrow to your Notion page. By incorporating these visual elements, you've enhanced both the design and the organizational clarity of your workspace. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.